In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the window wipers on a Kia Sportage. This should be the same from 2017 to 2022. This particular model is a 2022 Kia Sportage Nightfall Edition. Now what's a little strange on these Sportages is the size of the wipers. On the driver's side, you have a 26-inch, and on the passenger side, you have a 16-inch. Now if you're at the store picking up these wipers, you may think you have something wrong. But this is what's supposed to be on there, so let's go ahead and get them changed. We're going to start over here on the passenger side with the small one. And the easiest thing to do is just flip the wiper all the way up. So you're going to rotate the wiper so it's kind of straight up and down with the car, or 90 degrees with the car. And then you can look back underneath the wiper arm and you'll see a little tab underneath here. The little tab I'm talking about is right here. It's only about 3/16 wide. It's very small, but you can see my finger pushing it up and down. So if you take this little tab and you squeeze it towards the arm, or you push it, is basically the only way you can move it. You're going to squeeze it towards the arm, and then you can slide the wiper back like that, and then simply pull it off. Now the new wiper will come with all kinds of extra adapters, but you don't need to put any of those on. The only thing we need is this piece right here, and it's already attached. Now on the wiper, you'll see this piece right here. Just get under there with your fingernail and flip that piece up. So with this piece flipped up and out of the way, you can get the wiper arm underneath this. This is basically like a hook and loop system. So we're going to go underneath, just kind of push up towards the arm, and then you're going to pull this way at the same time. Now this is what it should look like fully attached, and you know you have it right if you can flip this piece over and it snaps right into place. If you try to flip this piece over and it doesn't snap into place, it means you don't have this on all the way. So then you just pull the wiper this way. Sometimes it kind of feels like it catches, but it needs to go in there all the way like this. And you know it's right when you can flip this over and it locks into place. Go ahead and remove the protector off the blade. See how this is not attaching? It's really close, but it won't clip into place. There, I just felt it click. Now I know I have it on all the way. Move the protector, lower the blade down in place. And that's all there is to it, guys. Got new wipers put on this vehicle, and it's ready to hit the road. Now, one thing I can tell you for sure, do not cheapen out on your wiper blades. I'll put links in the description below on how to get the wiper blades off Amazon. Have them show up at your doorstep in 2 to 3 days. You don't want to buy those cheap wipers and then you're in a rainstorm and you wish you would have bought the good ones. Put the good ones on in the first place. Replace them about every 1.5 years and you'll be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.